Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy. Today, I would love for you to go on a tour with me of one of the biggest flea markets in the country, the California Rose Bowl. Clothes, furniture, knickknacks, they've got it. Watch till the end so you can see what I purchased from one of these stands. Here we go. LA is so very LA. Love to visit. This trip was a gift to me, a birthday gift from my sunshine, the boy wonder, my son, Julian. I love to thrift, hence Thrifty DIY with Denise Joy. And as he was growing up, I gifted the thrift bug to him. He had been raving about this totally dope, huge flea market in California, the Rose Bowl. So he said, Mom, I gotta bring you out here so you can experience it, and here we are. Before we get to the flea market, I have to show you this so fly hotel I stayed in. It's the Garland, and it has this totally super fly retro vibe that I am in heaven over. It's chock full of bold, vibrant patterns and retro color schemes and textures. It is truly a designer's joy. Here are a few of my favorite rooms and pieces. The reception area, which also serves as a bit of a lounge area, it has this gorgeous, oversized light fixture, just stunning. And the outside wasn't too shabby either. Highly recommend. It was tons of fun. My son took me for birthday sushi, followed by yummy ice cream at one of LA's most decadent ice creameries, Salt and Straw. Then back to the hotel for some shut-eye because Mama needed her rest for the flea market fabulousness. You loving it? Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Honestly, my son showed me a thing or two. Must-haves. The rolling cart, the water bottle, check, and the all-important tape measure. The boy is bad. Headed into the Rose Bowl Flea Market in California, right outside of Los Angeles. Can't wait to see what I find the Thrifty Fly DIY way. Listen, y'all, this flea market is crowded. There is lots of people watching, but there's a wide variety of fun things to see. Here's some tips to help you be successful. 1, plan your visit. 2, wear sneakers. 3, bring some water. 4, take breaks. 5, bring a rolling cart. 6, decide in advance exactly what you're looking for. And then last, be prepared to get something you weren't looking for. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. I'd love to have you as a permanent part of my community. I did say there were clothes, lots of clothes. This is where my son spent most of the 6 hours that we were at the flea market. He's shopping for those retro shirts, those retro throwbacks that are really hard to find but can give a big buyback in the market. If your goal is to shop for resale purposes, check the trends first and hopefully you'll snag something that you can get big bucks for in the resale market. Now here's my favorite, furnishings and decor. Because this is California, well, particularly Los Angeles, they had quite a bit of vintage and mid-century modern pieces, really one of my favorite styles. You don't want your design style to be matchy-matchy. I always suggest that a client add something with some vintage and some age, some class to a space to really elevate the design style. So what did I buy at the Rose Bowl Flea Market? Well, I stopped by a stand similar to this one and I picked up this absolutely gorgeous amber jewelry. Doesn't it just make you want to talk like jewelry? Actually, immediately after I purchased the small gold piece, a gentleman tried to purchase it from me for $200. My son thought I was crazy for not immediately reselling it. But hey, I love it, so I kept it. What do you think of this purchase? Let me know in the comments below. My biggest score was a mid-century modern stool that packed flat. It looks pretty fly in my room, don't you think? My final purchase was one of these Louis Vuitton bags that I've snagged to put as a prop piece in my studio. Pretty good haul for a day's work. That's a wrap. We're heading home, and trust me, LA and the Rose Bowl Flea Market have been good to me. Let me know your favorite flea market stomping grounds. I'll hopefully check them out one day. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, yes, right now. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.